Tim from Gamiviti here. Got time today for one more little video. I want to show you a tool bag that I really like. Had a lot of these over the years. This one really does it for me. Blue Ridge Overland gear, tool pack, just holds it all. Let me show you a little bit about what's inside. Got these zippers with these big loops. Love these things. You can do them with gloves on. Really easy to take this thing apart, unzip it, throw it down, get what you need to do. There we go. Tool. Each one of these pouches, Velcro's in there. Put them in any order you want. If you need to grab one out, toss it to a buddy. It's ready to go. They all unzip, hold all your belongings. I'll unzip them, I'll show you what I'm carrying. Pretty much all I need to take care of most trailside emergencies. I got a little pack here. I got some drills and taps, a little thing with some extra nuts and bolts. We got our medium-sized hammer, a couple open-end ratchets, full socket set, a couple extensions. Ready to go. Big sockets, hub socket, nice 32. Hope we don't need that one, huh? Channel locks, vice grips, pliers, yeah. And then that impact screwdriver, extra electrical tape. You never know. Nice. Got them all zipped up. You just grab the handles, pull up the zippers, toss it back in the truck. Let's go wheeling. They give you a big piece of Velcro if you want to put some labels on it. They give you some MOLLE connectors if you want to add some stuff. I like that it stays really thin. This guy lives in my homemade drawer system, right behind my first aid kit. Ready to go anytime. So, hope this was helpful to you. Check out this product, Blue Ridge Overland Gear Tool Bag. Really cool. Thanks guys for listening, and as always, send me your comment.